This video will demonstrate how the offline codes in SDL-K12 Smart Keybox work. Before you start generating any codes, you must pair the lockbox with your mobile phone via Bluetooth. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will turn off Bluetooth on the phone to mimic no connectivity. Now, assume you are miles away from your lockbox. How do you give your guests access to the lockbox? It's simple. Go to the app, select the lock, and go to Settings. You can create two types of offline passwords: one-time passwords or offline periodic codes. Let's try creating an offline periodic code. Now, let's use the offline code we created to unlock the lockbox.